Murabe kiama gia Jubilee Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua murabe kiama gia DCP nigatia Abarai niko baomirana ase emisa ye kanisa EMO yani kiwase ensemo ya Kajiado ase ba nyigendrere Komochia ESEREKARI ase OKOBORENDI anemona ase emesangerekano ya gesiasa niko bono baburire mu waziri otendete OBORENDI kone kiango tingiare OBORENDI usio ubweri berari gesiasa iriganda gukina usio bachorio bando mwaka gocha.
People, we are talking to fellow Kenyans, moving around, talking to Kenyans. How is that a threat to national security? So that you are spending bullets, you are spending tear gas, you are spending police time on that kind of, deploying police officers. Tuko na shida. People are being mugged in the city every day. When we face this problem with Uhuru Kenyatta, that is how we came up with an all-women commando team that we were training to look at how you go into the supermarkets and everything, and how you try to trace pickpockets and create a certain sense of stability and peace in the urban areas so that people can go around doing business. That is what you should be spending your time on. Because people don't feel safe, and if they don't feel safe, they cannot do business, they cannot go around their activities. How is Seki addressing a meeting in Kajiado a problem, a threat to the country? He's an elected leader, elected by the same Kajiado people. He's going to meet the same Kajiado people. You must, even if you have a weevil in your head, how would you spend time planning to disrupt a meeting an elected leader is having with his people?
Inchi, Dr. Matiang'i, I know you must be a very sad man, having been CS Interior, and looking at what is happening in the country. You must be a very sad public officer and a Kenyan. Ya kwamba hii nchi imekuwa a country of goonism.
Shida kubwa, na nimesikiza Bwana Murkomen akiongea. CS Murkomen, you said yesterday that goons are a threat to our national security. But today in Kajiado, we want to say that it is not so, Mr. Murkomen. It is you as a CS Interior with your PS Amolo, Raymond Omolo, and your boss, Bwana Ruto, and all of you who are at Harambee House, the office of the president, you are becoming an existential threat to our national security. Agreeing to let our police officers go into bed with goons, forming an unholy alliance between the police and goons. This is a threat to our national security. It is a threat to our democracy.
Much as you have ruined the country, we are reasonable enough to know that this is a country of the rule of law. And we are willing to wait for the next 14 months to remove you through the ballot. Don't create a situation where Kenyans will remove you from power.